hard strata best-selling item that's been asked by a lot of different companies for a good reason, because this is an important problem. In this problem, we need to find out the best-selling item by month. And this is going to be a little trickier than it initially seems. In this problem, we're going to have to get the month of the invoice date first. As you can see, there's a lot of columns here. We're only going to need 3 of them. There's a lot. We're going to need the month, and then we're going to need the description, and then we're going to need the unit price times quantity. And we'll call this sales as total sales. When we run this, we're going to get our new table. Here it is. Here is a little bit of a tricky part. Is the easiest way to do this, in my opinion, is using the dense rank. And this is going to rank all the items by month. Let's actually call this as month. And we'll put this on a new line so it's easier to read. So partition by here, this month, order by this, the total sales, except this has to be descending because we want to rank them from high to low. And we're going to call this as ranked. We can barely see this. And let's run this again. And now, as you can see, it ranked it. So this is the best selling item for this month. However, in this case, we need to find the sum of this. And this is where it gets a little tricky. We need to find the best selling item by the sum of all of them. It needs to be grouped by, the month and what item it is. In this case, description. Now when we run it, we can see it is now grouped by the best-selling item, all the sales of this item. Finally, we can call this as items. We put this in a table because we are going to have to do the same thing. Select month, description, total sales from items. This is the table where the ranked is equal to 1. And as you can see, if we press solve, we're almost done. The only issue is they want this date format would have a 0, and this is a little bit unpractical. And the easy way to solve it is to do LPAD with a 2 and then a 0. It's going to add in a 0 on the second digit. And now when we press solve, it should solve. It solved the problem. There is an easier way to do the LPAD here, which is to date format it up here. That's probably the more practical way. Anyway, I try to keep this video short, so ask any questions in the comment section, and thank you for watching.